So this is my Lego airplane. So starting off at the front here, we have the steering wheel over here. Despite a white frame, looks like a white frame, but because it is. And the next one is the red seat. It looks kind of like a frame for the people. And here's connectors for the driver area. For the passenger cargo, so there's 2 seats. They can both recline all the way back. That's how that's how they can go. That's how much they can go. But the back one can go all the way back, like that. So now we have the white wall on this side, no wall on that side, because it has to look out.
I think it's yellow. The yellow. You said white wall. Is it yellow?
The yellow wall.
Yeah.
And starting off at the very back, it's the turn it around. We have the baggage compartment. We can open it up so we can put some baggage in there. And that's it. Bye-bye.